to my advocacy in my channel. Here in our channel, we mean sending hugs, sending warmth, sending positive vibes to everyone. So around the world, morning, afternoon, or evening, late evening, you're welcome to come and join me here at Ed's Dance and Food. So Ed's Dance and Food, you will see a lot of dances here, and then afterwards, let's eat. Of course, after working out, one pleasure is also to eat, but you have to train your taste bud. Not all appetizing food are healthy food. In fact, the foods that are not salty, the foods that are bland, those are the happy and the healthy foods, because you are free of preservative, you are free of sodium, you are free of too much salt in our diet. So you see, that's it. Wait, my my laptop is running out of battery. Where's the battery? Battery, wala dyan. Wala yung battery ng aking battery of my laptop. Hello, wait. Mr. Ariana, thank you.